In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access reminders in Google Keep. If you've ever set reminders in Google Keep and then wondered where they all live, this walkthrough is for you. We're focusing on the straightforward desktop method, using the reminders section that's built right into Keep. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to quickly scan what's coming up today, what's on the horizon, and what can wait until later. Start by opening Google Keep in your desktop browser. You'll land on your notes grid or list. Look to the very top left corner of the screen for the main menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click that to expand the sidebar. In the menu that appears, you'll see several options. Click Reminders. This is the dedicated spot where Keep collects every note that has a reminder attached to it, so you can check all your time-sensitive items in one place without hunting through individual notes. Once you're in the Reminders view, Keep organizes your notes into clear sections to help you prioritize. At the top, you'll find Today, which shows anything scheduled for the current day. Below that is Upcoming, which covers the near future, and then there's Later, which is reserved for items further out. Each note in these sections displays the reminder's exact date and time right on the note preview, so you can quickly gauge urgency at a glance without opening anything. If you have a lot of reminders, just scroll down the page. Keep will continue listing them under the appropriate headings. If you open the reminders section and don't see anything, that simply means there are no upcoming reminders at the moment. Nothing's wrong. It just means you're all caught up or you haven't attached reminders to any notes yet. The reminders view updates automatically as times pass or as new reminders become due, so it's a reliable dashboard for what needs attention now versus what can wait. Use this section as your daily checkpoint. Start with Today to handle immediate tasks, glance at Upcoming to plan your next few days, and keep an eye on Later for long-term items you don't want to forget. That simple flow, open Google Keep, click the menu, then choose Reminders, gives you a clear, organized snapshot of everything time-based in your notes. Keep it bookmarked in your mind, and you'll always know where to look when it's time to act.